Passenger. Hi, excuse me, is seat 1 for A on this side? Flight attendant. Yes, welcome on board, your seat is right by the window. Let me help you with your bag. Passenger. Thank you so much. Flight attendant. We will take off soon. Please fasten your seatbelt. Passenger. Sure, can I ask for a bottle of water? Flight attendant. Of course. Here you go. Passenger. Excuse me, how long until we land? Flight attendant. About 1 hour and 20 minutes. Would you like something to eat? Passenger. Yes, please. What options do you have? Flight attendant. We have chicken pasta and a vegetarian meal. Passenger. I'll take the chicken pasta, please. Pilot. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. We are now cruising at 35,000 feet. We expect a smooth flight and an on-time arrival. Thank you for flying with us. Flight attendant, we will be landing soon. Please put your seat in an upright position and fasten your seatbelt. Passenger. Okay, thank you. Passenger. Thank you for your service. Everything was great. Flight attendant. You're welcome. Have a wonderful day.